Welcome back to Life with Mike and Dad.
Mommy, I'm done.
And what are we doing today?
Mom, I'm done. Mom, can
Oh,
I
what are you
do one
doing?
too?
Oh,
Mommy, can I do
I'm
one
picking grapes and putting them in here.
That's right, you guys. We have about 4 pounds of red grapes with seeds. Make sure you're getting your fruits with seeds. And we are going to make some grape juice. And we're going to put 1 lime.
Here.
Hi.
Welcome back to our channel. Subscribe another video.
Period.
So today we're making grapes and then we're going to put them in there. I'll do it.
Yes.
Put it in
So,
there?
yep. So we're just going to wash these off, you guys.
And then it can get dirty.
It's going to get clean.
And then we need to put more. Can we put
So
more
we're
in
gonna
there?
wash these off, you guys,
Mommy, can we
and
put more in there?
yeah, pick them all. And
Okay.
we're gonna get started with some juicing. So we're gonna be using our Nama J2 cold press juicer, and this juice is really good for your lymphatic system. If you want to get your lymphatic system
Mommy, stop
moving,
moving it.
this is the juice that you want to make. It's literally just red grapes.
Wait,
It's
are
so
we
good
making
for
juice?
like circulation, inflammation.
It does
So that's
crack.
what it cracked, it's fine. So that's what we're doing today. Gonna clean this and then we're gonna get started.
To cook,
No, to juice.
to juice, we're gonna put in the one that you made up yesterday.
Yep, sure
Whoa.
are. Whoa, careful.
It's cool, it's so cool. Got one.
Yeah.
It just cracked all the time.
I thought you were helping juice.
Ah!
Well, I did most of them.
Wow. It be your own daughter. She's getting too big, you guys. She's just into what she's into. She's not
Cracked all the time.
cheering or dancing or singing
I am seeing.
or drawing. She's on her tablet, right?
I just moved the bag. All of them,
All of them, yep. Every single one.
every single day or one?
Yeah, every
One
one.
at a time.
Mm-hmm.
Starting Subscribe another channel. So guys, we're gonna put this grape. Is that peach?
Oh, it's great, girl.
It's peach grapes.
No.
Yes, it was. I think. Got it. Okay, can you stop doing that? I need more. I describe all the time. Can I need this? I'm gonna need this. Mom, we're hoping together. I'm gonna put this in. I need more. Can I have more? I need kind of things. So this is my mom, and he's helping me clean the juices. I mean, make the juice. How am I gonna grab it? It's so squishy. Can you squeeze it?
No.
I just want to squeeze it too hard. Can I wash them together? Mommy, can I wash them?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. I'm gonna do it myself. Can I do it myself? Can I do it myself now? Huh? They're bubbling. Mom, what are we gonna do with it?
We're gonna toss it. Make sure you guys are washing your fruit. Look at this.
It's so dirty.
It's disgusting.
Ew, disgusting. Okay.
Great job.
Now, do it.
Yep.
Yeah. That's enough.
Ready to taste it?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think?
Yummy.
Yummy? Really? What does it taste like?
I don't know. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.